Hello guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can connect Instagram with Discord. To do this, what we'll have to do is logically enter our Instagram account. Once here, as you can see, our profile will appear. What we'll have to do is go to the section that says Share Profile. Once in Share Profile, as you can see, this section will appear where we'll have to click on Copy Link. Once you have copied the link, what you'll have to do is open the Discord application. And in this case, as you can see, we'll be in this section here. I thought that we'll have to do is enter our profile. Once in our profile, we'll have to click on the settings icon or the jar located in the upper right part. Once here, what we'll have to do is go to the connections option, in which you'll have to click on the add section. In add, this other section will open where we'll have several social network options such as TikTok, X, and more. But in this case, the Instagram option will not appear. We'll have to go to this option here, which is the domain one. When you are in the domain, what we have to do is paste the profile that we have copied from our Instagram profile and click next. And once this is done, all you have to do is connect it appropriately with your Instagram profile.